There's some rumors coming around regarding what Samsung could be working on in the foldable phone sector, and it's very fascinating. A recent leak revealed that Samsung is working on a low-cost Galaxy Z foldable model. We could see something like a Galaxy Fold or Flip Fan edition. According to rumors, we may see more than just a few models arrive. According to the folks at Galaxy Club, Samsung seems to be working on 2 variants of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, as well as the Galaxy Z Flip 7. They're basing this on some fascinating Koan names that they've heard about. The standard Galaxy Z Fold 7 is said to have the codename B7, while the Flip 7 is dubbed Q7. There's also talk of Q7M, a mystery new fold variation codename. Before we get ahead of ourselves, bear in mind that we are still in 2024, so although this information seems encouraging, it is not ensured that we will see 2, 3, or even more foldable phones next year. Jen Lozino, a leaker, recently came to Twitter to provide some juicy data from a Samsung conference call. During the call, a Samsung official said that the business is actively investigating methods to lessen entry barriers for foldable goods. They noticed the high levels of satisfaction among existing foldable users, which strongly suggests that a more cheap model will be available shortly. How wonderful it would be to see foldable technology become more accessible to everyone. This executive didn't stop there. He also mentioned that Samsung is developing new form factors to provide an even more powerful and innovative mobile experience. Now what could it possibly imply? A lot of folks are saying it might relate to the mystery trifold gadget we've been hearing about. Just image 3 displays folding out to offer you a tablet-sized experience. Although they didn't dig deep into specifications, the fact that both a cheap Galaxy Z Flip and a trifold model have appeared in leaks makes it look like Samsung is considering both concepts. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.